Letter Y is really very interesting. Let's see how. If we see the word fly, the Y letter is taking out an I sound, fly. But if we see the word story, the Y letter is taking out the E sound, story. So whenever Y is at the end of one syllable, it takes out the sound of I. For example, fly, cry, try. When Y is used in a word of two or more syllable, it takes out the sound of E. For example, lazy, baby, happy, but there are still exceptions to this rule. I've written down in the caption. If you know more, write down in the comment section.